So we are finally removing the stock system that was on there. I was probably losing so much power. It has a full header and everything, and then we have stock. What up, bro? What's up, everybody? So this was my winner of choice, because this one's designed not to be so loud and as you would call it, as much as raspy as like Skunk 2 or Buddy Club. I don't want one that's going to be crazy loud. I just like it because of the performance aspect of it. Yeah, my boys over here in the back of my shop, they hooked me up, so they let me borrow their lift and then all that good stuff and hook up my stuff. Some parts we can install, yeah. Just depends. Look at that. Small pipe, boys. Fucking bitch. Look at that. Skinny as fuck. I would turbo this one, but I have enough problems turboing my EM1 that I'd rather just keep it at that. So, I'll enjoy this one to be all motor. I gotta fix second gear still. I'm gonna do a full rebuild on the motor and all that good stuff here soon. But as for now, I'll just put an exhaust system on. Stock shit. Yeah, Turbo Life is dope, don't get me wrong, but I couldn't deal with that, especially on weather like this. I couldn't be driving that thing. That's why I never turned it on. Haven't drove it in a while. But once it's cold as fuck, man, I'm gonna drive the M1 all the time. See, this is unfortunate right here. All the scraping low life. And I already have missing chip paint from fucking all the rocks. Oh well, what do you do? Shit's meant to be broken. Fix it again later. If you guys need something, make sure you guys hit us up. You can put it on a payment plan. It's hot as fuck right now. And I'm not even doing nothing. I think I'm sweating more than they are, and they're the ones installing it. See, this is why I like buying plug-and-play shit. Because you pay the right amount of money, and it's for your car. All that universal stuff is nothing but headaches. Spend the right amount of money, you get good shit. Yeah, I'm a little on the heavy side. Plus, I just ate, so I can feel it right now. Yeah. We need a michelada and some shrimp, bro, or what? And some beer, huh? Fuck yeah. Make sure we get the gasket. Hello? Yeah. I'll call you back. How you doing? Yeah, they're right there. Fuck. Promise you I'm not smoking. Fuck, but yeah. If you guys need something, make sure you guys hit me up. Hit me up. Fuck. See this shit? That's just annoying as fuck right there. It's fucking annoying. I'm sweating more than they are. They're fucking installing it. Fucking bitch. So, you guys know what I'm doing. What the hell are you guys doing? Staying in the AC, I hope. Use this shit over here. car meet? I haven't been thinking about that in a while. So, yeah. Once we install it right now in the back of us, I'll do a whole little red video and do all that rice shit for everybody. That way everybody loves to hear it. And the big old bam and the popping shit it gives. But if you guys have any questions for me, let me know. I do have quite a few of messages to get back to. I know that, and I'm not replying, and I'm basically doing this, but I will respond to you as fast as I can. It's your birthday, bro. Well, happy birthday to you. Hopefully you turn up later tonight. During the day it doesn't matter so much, but at nighttime is when you really got to party. So. Yeah, well, I mean, with this heat, it shouldn't take long. I want to. This motherfucker hurts, bro. It's been like 3 days. This fucking bitch. But it adds features to you, you know? Just look at this, though. Look at how beautiful that looks. Let's just admire it with me really quick. This is the type of shit we love right here. I bet you everybody would love to see that right now, too. Fuck yeah, bro. For the win right here. If you guys need one, hit me up. I do need a lot of power. It can't be as fast as yours, bro. Fuck. The ice cream, though? Fuck, I don't have my money on me. So far so good. Let's go take a look under. I'll show you guys where we're at with that. Show. How we looking, bro? What do you think? Doing pretty good? Hell yeah, bro. Can't wait to see what you're gonna do. Remember, place every gasket as you do all this fun stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna do a full review video. Show you guys. This is the new one, and that's what I was running with before. Can't believe that shit. What up, Tank? That was crazy. We're almost there, though. So, that's where we're at so far. I'll work on the video for you guys and then post it and show you guys how I like it. And then do little flyby videos and all that cool ratchet shit that everybody loves to do. And yeah, hopefully I don't get pulled over while doing it. Fucking bitch. So you guys have any questions for me? Drop them down, comments below. Yeah, I'm running the Guile 12. And fucking, what else does it say in that part of the movie? Fuck, it was such a long time ago since I've seen it. Gotta play Madden again though, bro. I have one loss already to one customer. She beat me twice actually, so that's 2 losses. If you guys want to try the Madden challenge, hit me up. Just let's admire that really quick. Just look at that. Fuck, it looks 10 times better than that stock stuff was on there. The exhaust system, it depends if you're going to do cash, card, or financed. And the car also. Looks fucking bad, dude. I can't wait. Plug and play too. Literally, maybe like a 30-minute install. As long as the bolts and all that stuff's not rusted, it should be fairly easy to install it. It's been here for like maybe 20 minutes now. We're almost basically done. Fuck yeah. That stock stuff was getting on my nerves. If anybody wants it for sale though, hit me up. Now look at that. Look at that. Let's go look. Take a closer look. Fuck yeah, bro. That shit's hard as fuck. So who's excited to see the video? Who's ready to see it? We're about to turn it on for the first time. Car's already warmed up too, so we'll be there. Just, let's admire that though. Let's just admire that. It's what it needed. So who's excited to see the startup video? Hope you guys are ready. Turn on here soon. If you need one, hit me up. Get your finance for 0 down. Take you 10 minutes to get approved too. Good? I'm gonna turn it on. I'm gonna pick it up real quick and see if there's any. How easy was that? Easy, huh? All the things that are bitch is the fucking hangers. So if you fail WD-40, you should get a loose lubricant and come out. But when you try to take out a rod, though, it's hard. First startup, make sure there's no leaks. Top bar's in the front. It's still stock as fuck. We are going to do our first mod on that soon. We're still learning a lot about the car. We don't want to go into not knowing, so maybe an exhaust and intake, stuff like that for the future. But as of now, leave it alone. Put everything else onto these. Who else's favorite song is this right here? You hear that? I'd much rather hear my exhaust system than hear a song on the radio. Now that looks 10 times better. actually been on. It's quiet. Yeah, it sounds pretty good. Look at what we used to rock before. Stock boys for life. Now we're good. I'll do my review videos and step on the gas a little bit louder so you guys can hear it some more. Yeah, it's quiet as fuck. Now, if this was a buddy club or a spec or a skunk 2 or something, you'd be hearing that shit fucking loud as fuck. So, bam, voila, nice and done. I have DC headers on it, but DC headers as much as good as stock ones. DC header don't really do much. Nice and quiet, so it's not allowed going 5 miles an hour down the fucking street, so a cop could give me another ticket. But we're good. Easy install. That's why I love to buy shit that's expensive, because that shit just fucking plugs in and works. But if anybody wants a stock exhaust system though, I got one for sale. So that's it for now for the Instagram live. I'm going to do another video and I'm going to post it on the page and all the good stuff, so hit me up there. And I'm going back to the shop right now.